Okay, Makuhita. We don't want to miss the big kahuna.
Huh? Won't you just battle with me?
Mm-hmm. You should always know when to quit.
Yeah, what do you guys know about it? Oh, we were so close, so close! And then we ended up losing to some gym leader who'd rather be surfing than training.
Come on, Ash, knock it off!
Shut up!
Shut up!
So what should next confront May's expedition but a mudkip transformed into an aged monster? Give me a break, that's crazy!
Who, me? A monster?
A talking monster? Hello, it's a person!
It didn't break!
It's stronger than we thought.
All right, Cacnea, use needle arms! All's well that ends well, right?
The gold block makes it instantly cool. Possible side effects may include uncontrollable boiping. Increased charisma magnetism needs a silver block. Some side effects may include enlarged lips and a desire to kiss things.
Well, I've been here in the swamp with these mudkip for so long. Just call me Swampy or Old Man Swamp.
Old Man Swamp. Been in these here parts a long time, eh, Swampy? Old Man Swamp.
Hey, kid, you don't know me that well.
I'm sorry, sir. Trainers, which one of these Pokemon evolves into Seviper? Okay, trainers, if you chose Arbok, you were right!
Excuse me. If you're studying my moves, you should probably
Come closer.
What? What's so funny, Drew?
That is beautifully unique.
And uniquely beautiful.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking about, Grumpig?
If it's reminding you of my ex-fiancée, then yes.
Huh?
Now listen and listen good, you little floating hand towel.
Vine Whip Bulbasaur!